Today's video is gonna be different. It's about Sanyipace Intelligent Toilet Bidet Seat. This is probably not gonna blow your mind, but it will definitely blow your butt. You see? Warm air drying. It literally blows air there. Blowing air in your behind is very different from video games that blow your mind. This toilet bidet is intelligent, which means it's somewhat close to ChatGPT in some way. Let's see what it says on the box. So, sit-in cover auto open. This is part of the intelligent thing. Night light, you get night light. This is a very good picture. Multiple cleaning modes, okay? Multiple cleaning modes. We'll test it out. We'll see how well it cleans, okay? Warm air dryer, okay? You don't want have wet and then put pants and it's like all wet everything, you know? No good. Seat heating, always good to sit on a hot seat. Hot seat is good, like cold, not good. And this might be a little bit hard for me to pronounce in English, but I try. It's a aromatherapy deodorization. Deodorization. It's good. It means smells good and like, you know, no bad bacteria or something. Your comfort, your priority. Someone marked here with a marker. This is the model. Let's unbox it. This is good protection. I like. We get all this stuff. You see, big bag with a lot of stuff. A cord. You definitely need a power outlet. You plug it in. The seat itself, we have this. This is a water filter. Here they have some advertisement where you can buy more filters and stuff. 2 AAA batteries. This is a remote, so you press button and it does what you want, which is amazing. A small paper triangle. Aromatherapy tablets. Says tablets, I got only one. We get this thing, plumbing. You know, plumbers know what it is. We got manual. Nice glossy paper. I like the paper on the manual. Tells you everything about it. This plastic thing. And like some screws and things you can screw. On paper, installation is very simple. Look. Install these 2 things, install these plastic things, put this tablet over here, then put the seat over there, then connect the water, and boom. Looks nice. I like the feel, and this is pretty thick. It's probably made for American market for like, you know, to support a big weight, right? Look. Sanyipace. Very nice on touch. Actually, it feels better than some of more expensive bidet. I'm a professional bidet user, okay? I have like 3 or 4 different bidet kinds. One of them was like $1,000, another like $500, and actually was better than the more expensive ones. And this one is like less than 200 or something. I don't know. There will be a 15% off promo code in the description you can use. Overall, everything feels very nice. And you definitely want one with a water heater. Those that do not have warm water heater, okay? Those that do not connect in the wall outlet like this, okay? Those gonna blow cold water in your behind, and it's no good. Maybe if you live in Florida, it's good most of the year, almost all the year. If you live in South Florida or like somewhere really hot. But for most people, you want only warm water going at your behind. Bum. What do you say it in America? Bum. Butt. Yeah. This thing, this is the aromatherapy thing. Smells really good, I like. Smells good. Looks like it goes in here, and then you just like close it. Before you install anything, make sure you shut down the water. First we put these things over here, then I had to push these things inside. Then I place this thing like this over here, these metal things. This screw goes inside and this screw goes inside over here. Then you screw the screws over here, either with this screwdriver or with the other kind. Then you install this thing over there for the water, and then you just put this bidet over here, push it a little bit, it slide it into that thing over here. This hose goes inside this filter, and the other side goes right there. And then this goes over here. Make sure you have a wall outlet, okay? If you don't, like usually you can do it from the other side of the wall. Call professional electrician, okay? Let's turn it on. And then look, it's like magic over here. Here is how the magic happens. You see, like shh. Boom. This is magic. You see? And this thing. Magic. It's very important and very good that this bidet has water filter. I have bidets like $1,000 and they don't have one. This is the best bidet, you know? And look, looks luxury. See? Luxury thing. And the last thing, you need to install the remote control. Batteries go over here. You put this thing on the wall, it glues by itself. Now let's take a look at the buttons. This is power button. This is self-cleaning button. This is water temperature, seat temperature, air temperature, all the temperatures. This is blank switch. It makes these two lines over here. This switch, this thing is for lights, okay? Then we have water pressure, plus and minus, means more or less. Eco mode, night lamp, so you see at night. Spray wand, also you can down and up, you see? It changes, okay? You can regulate how it goes up or down, like if you need lower or higher cleaning. Auto cleaning, okay? Auto cleaning. And then seasonal temperature sensing, cover up, sit up, drying. If you want to do just number one, just do this. Cover. And then you don't have to touch this thing, okay? And you do the number one, okay? If you want to do number two, you do this. Make sure you choose the correct size bidet. There are two kinds in the United States, two major kinds at least. So this one is elongated, but my toilet is normal, so this actually doesn't fit it, okay? So if you're like very heavy, you know, it's not gonna be good. First you adjust the temperatures, all the temperatures for seat, for water. You adjust the angle if you want a higher, upper, and then you do hip cleaning. Hip cleaning is basically means, you know, the cleaning that you do after number two. Overall, bidets are the best, like toilet paper is like, you know, it's like old, like it's 20th century. Female cleaning I haven't tried. In the end, you do the drying, and in the very end, you just like close it with a button like this. Or no, not like this. You do this, and then you do that. See? And now it's closed, and everything is nice. You don't touch anything. Your hands are clean. Still wash them, but you know. Bidet is great. This bidet has more functions and look nicer and more luxurious, especially like this knob, you know. More luxurious than like other bidet that's $1,000 that I have. This is the best bidet, and for the money, definitely the best bidet, okay? See, and you can play with it. Amazing, bro. And the very last thing, how strong is the water pressure? This Sanyipace Bidet has a medium water pressure, which means if you relax well enough, it will go inside, okay? If you put the water pressure to the strongest level and relax, it will go inside, and you can go to proctologist, to urologist, or for whatever reason you want to have to be clean inside, you know, like an enema thing. You know what I mean? Sanyipace, very good. No more toilet paper. Use bidet. Sanyipace, the best. It will clean and dry everything, and you'll be very happy.